they're buying options kind of tells you where the move goes. In other words, where this thing pops. The problem with looking at a skew chart like this is it's very, very difficult to actually make comparisons sometimes. This whole curve, for example, moves with the market. If I get a 20-point update, the curve shifts 20 points, right? So there's a shift there. And you have to realize that in order to even be able to read it properly. You have to realize that there is a shift there.
And I think it's fair to note, and by the way, this is all in depth in the Ultimate Income Trader at the Boston event, but I think it's fair to note that not only does the fishhook, if you will, shift, but it kind of turns either clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on if it's steepening or flattening. So It's kind of a, think of it like a clock. That might help people visualize what's happening.
Right, and that is not a 10-minute conversation, as you know.
No, it is not. There's a whole program on it.